Most AI help desk software passes the demo and then fails the inbox, because answering frequently asked questions is not the same as resolving a ticket. 6 tools went through a live ticket backlog: eesel AI, Zendesk, Freshdesk, Elementum, Featurebase, and Pylon. One criterion separated them, and it was autonomous resolution. So this covers what each one automates, what each one costs, and which one fits your team. Here is the shortlist before the detail. eesel AI for teams that want tickets resolved rather than routed. Zendesk for global enterprises that live or die on triage. Freshdesk for mid-market teams with no AI admin to spare. Elementum for enterprise IT where data cannot leave the warehouse. Featurebase for product-led startups chasing the cheapest resolution fee. And Pylon for B2B support that happens in Slack. Start with the one criterion that split the 6, because every vendor here will tell you it has AI. In 2024, the shape was a decision tree that ended at a button saying "talk to a human." In 2026, the agents read intent and context, then act inside the tools around them: Shopify, Jira, Zendesk. That means refunds processed and subscription plans updated without a human looking over its shoulder at every step. Retrieval was the old bar. Action is the new one. 4 things were tested. Time to value, meaning customer-facing in hours rather than weeks. Automation depth, meaning it can check an order status and issue a partial refund, not only answer a question. Accuracy and governance, meaning a simulation mode that replays responses against historical tickets first. And setup complexity, meaning a support lead can train it in plain English. The standard moved. Leading platforms now handle up to 80% of frontline queries end-to-end. Multi-step work across other software counts too, so pulling an order from Shopify or opening a Jira issue. And retrieval augmented generation grounds every answer in your own tickets. Help center and internal documentation, which is what stopped the hallucinations that ruined the earlier generation. 2 at a time, with the trade-off each one asks you to accept. eesel AI is built around autonomy. Simulation replays it across thousands of your past tickets before it speaks to anyone, and users report up to 81% autonomous resolution. The catch is, it wants a supported help desk and processes that are written down. Zendesk is built for scale, and its triage by intent, language, and channel is best in class. But it runs $115 to $169 an agent. Advanced AI adds $50, and the AI reads as a bolt-on. Freshdesk optimizes for low admin burden. Freddy Copilot and Freddy Self-Service need very little training, and Freddy Insights flags volume spikes and CSAT dips with a root cause attached. The limit is that the genuinely agentic features sit on the $89 enterprise tier. Elementum is the opposite trade. Zero persistence means it queries your data where it lives, in Snowflake or Databricks, and deterministic guardrails block unapproved decisions. But it is contact sales only and a real implementation project. Featurebase is the cheapest way in. Phoebe AI resolves at 29 cents, the lowest resolution fee here, and support tickets sit next to your product roadmap so volume turns into roadmap items. It is built for SaaS though, and weaker for e-commerce and retail. Pylon owns the channel problem instead. Slack, Teams, and Discord are treated as real support channels, but it is $59 to $89 a seat with the AI assistant adding 50 more, and its agents are less autonomous. Now the money, because on this list the pricing shape matters more than the logo. 4 shapes cover the whole list. Per agent seat, $115 to $169 at Zendesk, moves with headcount whether the AI helped or not. Seat plus an AI add-on, $29 to $50 more, means each new agent pays the seat and the add-on. Per resolution, 29 cents at Featurebase, moves with the definition the vendor sets. Per ticket, 40 cents at eesel AI, moves with the ticket volume the AI handles, resolved or not. Read the quote twice. Freshdesk starts at $19 an agent, but Freddy Copilot begins on the $55 Pro plan, and the full suite sits on Enterprise. Freddy Copilot on its own is $29 an agent. Zendesk. Advanced AI is $50 per agent on top of the seat, and Pylon's AI assistant is another $50 per seat. The seat price is almost never the AI price. So here is the rule. Seat pricing punishes you for hiring rather than for volume. Resolution pricing hands the vendor the definition you are paying against. Per ticket pricing tracks the work the AI did, with no seat fee underneath it. Price one identical month under each shape before you shortlist on features, because that gap is usually wider than the feature gap. 3 questions, and one of them disqualifies most vendors on the spot. 3 questions. First, name your biggest pain honestly. Second, demand plain English training, no decision trees and no engineers. Third, require a simulation on your real backlog because a static demo is not evidence. Then match. Buried in routing and tagging, you want triage strength. Drowning in raw ticket volume, you want high autonomy resolution. Data that cannot leave the warehouse, you want querying in place. 3 things to hold on to. Resolution, not triage, is the bar now. And the leaders reach up to 80% of frontline queries. Simulation on your own backlog is the single demand that separates a real vendor from a demo. And the shape of the bill moves your cost more than the product you pick does. That is where eesel AI fits on this list. It joins the help desk you already run, including Zendesk, Freshdesk, and Intercom, and learns from your past tickets and help center. Simulation replays it over thousands of those tickets before it answers anyone, so the resolution rate you see is yours and not a benchmark. Instructions are plain English, like always escalate billing disputes to a human. Pricing is pay as you go per ticket the AI handles at 40 cents, with no per seat fee and no credit card to start. Set it up in minutes, run the simulation on your own backlog, and the full 6-tool comparison is linked in the description.